Hello traders, this is Alla on October 5th. Let's take a look at the market and let's dissect why we have the slowest day trading conditions on record. Very simple. We are at the end of the bullish rally. This bullish rally started at trend inception at Fibonacci reversal zone that's been present in the trading room for years. As Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market. This was reversal zone 2014, 2015, 2016, when bullish rally reached the end of the minor trend and struggled here for months. When bullish rally became major, these levels identified months in advance had been reached, reminding you Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market that you can use on any instrument you will choose. These market conditions were drastically different at bullish trend inception. Market was extremely volatile. Currently, markets are exhausted. Institutions not buying this market left and right. They're simply holding the positions. How you survive these day trading conditions is everything. How you manage these trading conditions is everything in your trading. If you will choose to ignore this and you choose to buy historical high, the only one who wins is your broker. Remember that. Every single day is a psychological test of your knowledge of pure price and Fibonacci. So what has happened in the trading room this week? Trading room had been open less than 8 hours. This was a pullback from this area until this support, which was key exit. On Monday morning, we are in class with students. Multiple long trades in a play, because this is key Fibonacci support. This exact same thing that happened yesterday morning at this key Fibonacci support when price reached resistance. Day before. Yesterday morning price was stuck here for many hours. Crawl is on. Best point of bullish entry was here at this support. Drastically different crawl, drastically different structure than what played out in 2016 if you browse my blog, when market was flying. 15 points, 12 points was normal day. 7 points was a slow day. Volatility was extreme, 25 points on S&P. Normal day. That was trend inception. That was institutional volume. Not present currently. None. Institutions not buying this market. How long will they hold the positions? We do not know. Can it be 5 days? Can it be 5 months? Can it be 5 years? None of us know. Until institutions will be closing the positions, how you master this most challenging corrective markets is everything in your trading. And that will be addressed throughout bootcamp. And that's present on any instrument you will choose to trade. It is present currently on Apple, as Apple remains in brutal correction. Are you surprised that Apple collapsed despite the release of brand new iPhone? Should not be. Apple dancing in bearish correction at reversal zone, reminding you, worst news do not matter. When Apple came out with the worst news in 13 years, as Apple skyrocketed and collapsed 2015 despite excellent earnings. And what you saw playing in the room this week at the time of oil news release is no surprise. That was bearish news. Oil collapsed from here to here, where buyers stepped in from much later in the day in Asian session. And this is where oil had taken a pause for 6 hours, reminding you the end of the minor trend is present. Do not enter into. Buy at support. End of minor trend is broken. Oil skyrocketed. But again, oil reminded you, do not ever, ever, ever buy randomly on the news. When oil collapsed 300 points, because Fibonacci said so. Buy at support. That remains the key. Sell at resistance. These are basic rules. This is what we will be discussing in a boot camp. How you will adjust to trading conditions is everything. You can master corrective markets, you can trade anything. Please review what to expect in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Please remember, we're down to 2 spaces only. Focus of the bootcamp will be on Ranger. We will be focusing on Ranger only. Ranger is a strategy that is not part of regular course. We will be addressing proprietary Fibonacci levels, proprietary Fibonacci strategies, proprietary Fibonacci tools that you can install on any platform as long as it has Fibonacci tool. You will learn rule-based method with precise stop, entry, and targets during intense 2 weeks of trading and training environment, October 16th through 27th. Bootcamp included in the course fee for new students only. Graduates joining in bootcamp at additional fees. This is bootcamp number 11 of 7 years doing this. Last bootcamp of 2017. As S&P reminding you, only if you play by the rules you will succeed. So, celebrate the most challenging times on record in the market. You master this. You get rid of psychological torture. You get rid of losing money. You get rid of participating in bearish and bullish corrections. You understand that buying historical highs for you as a day trader not an option. You understand that only if you trade with institutions and not against them you succeed. No matter if you trade in gold, which collapsing from reversal zone as expected, no matter if you're trading S&P, no matter if you're trading Netflix, it's all the same. Proprietary Fibonacci levels showing you far in advance. Do not buy at reversal zone. Doesn't matter if it's gold or oil. Buy at support. That's been present in front of you for years. Do not buy Netflix because it came out with excellent earnings when priced at resistance. Buy at support. That remains constant. That remains the key. Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool that you can benefit from always and forever. As hedge fund trader who is in this position on Costco will be in a boot camp. As his position on Costco reached key Fibonacci target. He does not like being day trader. He prefers trading options on stocks. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Strategies are identical, risk management, position size, trader psychology is the difference. Absolutely up to you what you will choose to trade. If it's Costco, if it's Netflix, if it's gold, if it's S&P, if it's oil, if it's euro. Price action the same. The only difference, risk management and trader's mentality. And that will be addressed throughout bootcamp, each and every day. So please review information online and please listen to graduates of the course from beginner to hedge fund trader, from traders who trade ETFs, stocks, options, Forex. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Favorite event of the year starts October 16th through 27th. Everything else is closed. Again, bootcamp part of the course, group course 8 weeks, private mentoring 16. Review everything under Learn and do not hesitate to contact me. info@fibinstitute.com or 925-257-4298. As S&P remains stuck in brutal correction. Reminding you, the only way you succeed in trading if you value every single minute of your life. If you don't sit and stare at the charts, if you know when to trade and most importantly, when not to participate in broker's heaven. This remains the key. You master this, you can trade any markets. You master this, you can trade Apple, you can trade oil, you can trade gold. At trend inception, not trend exhaustion levels.